What are stem cells? Stem cells are undeveloped biological cells capable of proliferation, self-renewal, conversion to differentiated cells, and regenerating tissues. In the next slide, you will get a clarity. A stem cells has a capability of renewal or regeneration, and then differentiation. Differentiation means differentiation into specialized cells like muscle cell, nerve cell. Stem cells are primitive cells and unspecialized cells, because unspecialized means undifferentiated cells that can convert into more than 200 types of body cells. Each stem cell has a potential. Please note this point. Each stem cell has a potential of converting into 200 types of body cells. That is the potentiality of the stem cell. And regenerating, there are different types of stem cells. We will discuss one by one about the different types of stem cells. The pluripotent stem cells. Pluripotent stem cells means can develop into cell types of all three germ layers. What are the all three germ layers? Ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. The example of pluripotent stem cells is cells developed from blastocyst of embryo, because in embryo, after blastocyst stage, the embryo is going to differentiate into ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. The blastocyst cells are called pluripotent stem cells because they have potential of differentiating into three germ layers. Then next type of cells are multipotent stem cells. The name itself indicates there are multipotent, means they have a potentiality of differentiating into multiple types of cells, can develop into more than one, but not all germ layers. They differentiate into multiple tissues, but they didn't give ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm like pluripotent stem cells. The examples of multipotent stem cells are cord blood cells and adult stem cells. See in this diagram, the stem cells after differentiating into, they are converting into all the cell types like myocyte, nerve cell, and adipocyte. It is going to differentiate into every type of cell types. In even blood cells also, it is differentiated into many types of blood cells. The second type is multipotent stem cells, and the third type is totipotent stem cells. What is the meaning of totipotence? That they can develop into all cell types of human body, also all types of cell types of human body. The example of totipotent stem cells are extraembryonic and placental cells. Recently, placental cells are being banked, stem cell bank. Mostly placental cells are being gathered and preserved in liquid nitrogen for the future stem cell therapies. When coming to what is the mesenchymal stem cell? Mesenchymal stem cell is rich and positive for CD105, CD90, CD73, SH3, and CD29. What are the CD? They are markers. If they are positive for the CD105, CD90, and CD73, they are identified as mesenchymal stem cells. When the mesenchymal stem cells are, then they can be multipotent and they can form. What is I have already told you. Multipotent means they can differentiate into multiple cell types like adipocytes, chondrocytes, osteocytes, and myocytes, muscle tissue, fat tissue, cartilage tissue, and into bone. And they have property of expandability. They have the potentiality of differentiating into multipotency and expandability. They will form the tissue, expand. They will enlarge the tissue, and they will cause the tissue expansion also. And autologous, and can be genetically modifiable, because the mesenchymal stem cells can be genetically modified, and after modification, we can change the property of the mesenchymal stem cells to differentiate into other types of tissues also. And immunoprivileged. What is the hierarchy of the stem cell? And coming to the hierarchy of the stem cell, I have told you different types of stem cells: multipotent, pluripotent, totipotent, all types. Now we will see the hierarchy in the different stages of the development of the zygote, how the stem cell hierarchy is going to change. When coming to the zygote, it is the totipotent. Totipotent means can form all types of cells. And zygote after converting into morula and blastocyst, I have told the blastocyst. Blastocyst has the potential to differentiate into all three germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, which are called pluripotent stem cells. Those cells which differentiate into all the three germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, are pluripotent stem cells. And after pluripotent stem cells, from the pluripotent stem cells, the multipotent stem cells will come. Multipotent stem cells means they can develop into multiple tissues and multiple organs or multiple tissues, multiple cell types. These are multipotent stem cells. I have explained about the mesenchymal stem cells, which are multipotent stem cells. Types of stem cells. Different types of stem cells. According to the extraction from embryonic stage, we will get prenatally are obtained from blastocyst stage of embryo or pluripotent embryo. We will get these type of cells. From the adult, we will get the stem cells postnatally. After embryonic stage, there are multipotent stem cells. From embryo, we will get pluripotent stem cells, and from adult, we will get multipotent stem cells. This is a very important point. Multipotent means they have ability to convert into different cell types, but they will not form ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, because that's the main point. Is the multipotent stem cells can generate tissues, but not all the fetus or the multipotent stem cells cannot form entire human body. They will form only type of tissues or some types of tissues only. When coming to the pluripotent stem cells, which are from embryonic stage, they can form entire fetus.